This small creator we're going to talk about in this video generated $13,000 in under 7 days in TikTok Shop affiliate revenue. They did this with a silent video, no words, no music, literally just images, and it was only a 15-second video. I'm going to break down exactly what they did. This is the example that I'm talking about. And by the way, this is a tool called Data. If you are new to TikTok Shop Affiliate and you are wondering how to go about selecting products, how to go about looking at creators that are already doing well, and basically just getting the data that you need to make it as easy as possible to choose what products to promote, this is the tool for you. I have left a link to Data in the description. They have got a free trial, and I have got an additional 10% discount for people that use the link I've left in the description as well, just to get you started. To be honest, even the free trial does give you more than enough. The link is in the description. Another quick announcement as well, Data is now available in the United Kingdom. As you can see on the top right hand corner there, it says United Kingdom. A lot of the case studies that I have done previously of creators that are really crushing it on TikTok Shop Affiliate were based in the United States, but as of this quarter, as of recently, Data is now officially available in the United Kingdom as well. So for UK creators, you can now take a peek behind the curtain of TikTok Shop. But I digress. What we are looking at here is, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is the creator that generated $13,600 in revenue in under 7 days. You can see the date there. It says from the 10th of April all the way up until the 16th of April. That we're going to look at exactly where you can find this video that they created. We're going to play through the video as well so you can see exactly what I mean. We're also going to look at the revenue they generated and break down how much commission they will have made from that revenue and how you can go about doing that yourself as well, and more. So let's start with the actual video. So what I've done is to get on this page on Data, when you first click on it, it's going to take you onto the explore page. I'm not going to go on it now, but I've gone from there and gone onto the video tab at the top, and in the video tab there was a list of different videos and different revenue amounts created in the last 7 days, different products, different categories here in the United Kingdom, because I'm in the UK version. And what I did is select this particular video, which I'm going to talk about today. So in order to look at the actual video itself, I have clicked on this link right here, which is again another thing that Data allows you to do. Once you click the video link, it actually takes you onto TikTok, onto the actual video in question. And in this instance, this is the video in question. As you can see, it's only 14 seconds long, but yeah, a 14-second long video has generated $13,600 in TikTok Shop revenue. So I'm going to play through the video. You can see exactly what I'm talking about. Now you'll notice here on the top right hand corner, if I click on the volume icon, I can't do anything because it's a silent video. So let me just refresh it and play it for you so you can see what I mean. Literally just a carousel of different images promoting the product. That is literally it. Nothing special at all. And that's it. The video ends. I'm going to just replay it so you guys can just see how ridiculous this is. And that's literally it. Nothing. And yet they generated all that revenue. On top of that, as you can see, this is a tiny creator in the bigger scheme of things. They've only got 3,800 followers and they have managed to generate these results. So it just goes to showcase that TikTok Shop Affiliate is not based on the success on TikTok Shop Affiliate is not based on how many followers you have. As long as you've got enough followers to qualify for it, or if you've started a TikTok Shop Affiliate account from zero, which you can do. I've shown this in other videos, and there are people that are still generating revenue from having started accounts from 0 followers. As long as you have qualified with either way, you are able to start having an opportunity to generate this much income as well. And as you can see, it's not just people that are based in the US, which is what a lot of people were saying in the comments. It's people from different countries that are able to find success as well. And yes, it's varying levels of success as well. It may not be as much as some people in the USA or in other countries, but you have to also remember the market size is also very important. How many people are there in the US? How much buying power do people in the US have compared to the UK? compared to the Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand. The bigger the marketplace, the bigger the amount of people that use TikTok and TikTok Shop, the bigger the revenue that they're going to generate, which is why TikTok is going absolutely insane about going into the US. They're throwing everything they can into that, because they realize how much money they can make out of the US compared to all these other places. Now, that was the video. What you can also do on Kalo Data is download the video script by clicking on this button here. Now, normally if someone has said something in the video, if they have said words that have compelled people to purchase the product, this is where you would see exactly what they have said. But in this case, there were no words, there was no audio on the video, so there's no script for you to download. But if they had, this is where you would be able to do that. We can also see here that there was no advertising used. This was all organic reach, all organic revenue. There was no ads, there was nothing like that, no push behind it. Now, in terms of the actual revenue that they generated, so there's two things with TikTok Shop that you need to understand. Revenue means how much the shop made. So what the creator did is they took a product that is being sold by a TikTok shop, and they created a video about that product in order to get people to buy that product so they could earn a commission. So this amount right here is the revenue. This is not how much the creator put into their pocket. How do we figure out how much they got into their pocket? Well, that's easy. All we do is we look at the product. So we know the product is called Murder of a Millionaire. So it's a mystery solving type of game. And we know the product costs anywhere from $12 to around $12.46. This is in dollars, by the way. This is not in pounds. I'm not sure if it's something that's going to be updated on my account, but I'm going to talk about the currency that I'm seeing here. Because it's the UK, it's going to be in pounds and it's going to be slightly different, but I'm just talking with the figures that I can see here. So that's the mystery solving game. That's the cost of the game. And now what I can do, which TikTok, which Kalo Data unfortunately doesn't show you, is how much revenue shops offer per product. But that's very easy to figure out. You just take the same product, you go onto TikTok Shop, you search for it, and as soon as you search for it, as you can see now on the screen, you will see that for every one of these products sold, the creator gets about 10% commission. So with that in mind, 10% of 13,600, without even using a calculator, we know it's going to be around 1,300, right? Now, the crazy thing is with TikTok Shop affiliate, the 10% that I can see, that's based on my account. That's based on, anyone's account that's able to search and find for that product as a TikTok Shop affiliate. But what shops can do is, if they can see that the product is selling well and you are gaining some traction, they can up your commission. They can offer you more commission than what everyone else is getting out there, in order to encourage you to create more videos and sell more of that product, because they make even more money doing that, right? So you make money as a TikTok Shop affiliate, the shop makes more money by offering you a higher commission, and TikTok makes more money as well because it's their platform, and the buyer gets the product that they've purchased. Everyone wins. So just because I'm saying they received 10% commission, it's likely they could have received double. So they could have made 2,600 out of this. They could have received 30%, 40%. We don't know that. That's between the shop and the creator. However, the baseline for the commission is around 10%. So we're going to assume that they made 10% from these sales, from this revenue amount here, which is still crazy for a 15-second video, which is silent, no music, literally just a slideshow of different images. Now, you have to ask yourself, what would 1,300 do for you right now this week from having done a 15-second video? Some people earn that in a month. Some people have to commute to work to earn that in a month. Some people earn that even in 2 weeks. You have to commute, you have to take on the stress of work, you have to go in an office with people that you don't like, report to a boss that you don't like. Not everyone, it's different for everyone, but you have to do things that you don't want to do in a 9-to-5 situation. But in this instance, this person generated this much revenue by putting in so little effort, and that is TikTok Shop affiliate in a nutshell. So again, the tools that you need in order to explore this further yourself will be linked in the description. Kalo Data itself will be linked in the description, and if you guys would like to see more videos like this, just comment Kalo Data in the comments, and the more comments I see with that, the more video breakdowns like this I will create. And by the way, if you want me to send you more breakdowns like this in your inbox every single week. Again, there's a link in the description for me to do that so you can get more information. Information is power nowadays. And if you know what other people are doing, if you know what the breakdown is, what tools they're using, how much they're making, what products they're promoting, etc., etc., they're faceless, they're not faceless, that helps you a lot more, and that saves you the time in doing the research and finding out what works on TikTok and what doesn't. And that is what is linked in the description. But let me know your thoughts. What do you think? $1,300 in under 7 days with a 15-second video, under 4,000 followers, and no music, no words said. Crazy.